So I get asked all the time, what is the easiest graphic design software out there? So I've been in the digital marketing space for over 15 years, and I could definitely say I've tried a lot of different graphic design softwares, most of which are so confusing, I just basically gave up. So what I want to do today in this video is show you the easiest graphic design software I have ever used. And no, it doesn't cost $200, $300, $400. And it isn't so complicated that you need to have someone come in and teach you how to use it. So what I want to do is give you a step-by-step overlook of what the easiest graphic design software I've ever used. I use it just about every day. I do a lot of product review videos. I do a lot of social media content. And I need to be able to have really professional looking, eye-catching graphic design. I need to be able to create video graphics as well, and this software does it all. So what I want to do is I want to give you an overview of what this looks like. Now, if you want to pick this up, all you have to go into the description below, and you're able to pick it up for yourself, and it's so easy to use. And now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and get started. I'm just going to dive right in and show you what this is all about. Let's go ahead and get started. So now we are inside of the graphic design software, and it is called Canva. And this is actually the desktop app that I use on my Mac, but you don't have to use an app. It's just on their website. You're able to do everything. So you don't actually have to download anything, which is pretty awesome. Videos, which is pretty amazing because graphic design softwares are normally known for, making edits to images and creating image graphics. This does a lot more than that. You can actually create full videos with this software. You could do presentations, you could do YouTube banners, YouTube thumbnails, infographics, flyers, cards, birthday invitations, Facebook covers, social media posts, all kinds of stuff. You could do presentations. Instead of doing a PowerPoint, you could create an entire presentation on this. Look at this social media. You could do basically anything. You could do your Instagram, your TikTok, your YouTube Shorts. You could do everything. You could even create an entire website. This is pretty amazing. So let me give you an example of what this can do, okay? I used to sell thumbnails on Etsy. I don't anymore. But what I used to do is I would create the thumbnails here in Canva. And what I did was I took the actual thumbnails and I put them right here. And it was where people could download and use them. But look at these. Look how professional these look. The vibrant backgrounds, the image of the girl with the cash and the little email icon with the arrow and the different colors. All of this is inside of Canva. Now, I have the pro membership of Canva, which is like 12, 13 bucks a month. It's ridiculous cheap compared to what else is out there. But with the pro membership, I get so much more. The free, is great, but it's, I want to be able to get access to millions of assets, video assets, image assets, little icons and elements and different things. So that's why I go with the pro personally. But look how professional these look. I mean, these look like I paid a graphic designer thousands of dollars to create all of this. I created each of these in about 5 to 10 minutes a piece. Normally what I do is I just take a template that Canva provides and I just go through and make edits to make it my own. I have a YouTube channel called Crimson Truth, and I created a video about the Will Smith, Chris Rock slap at the Oscars, which was kind of crazy, but I created a video about it. This is my thumbnail I created. All I did was take a video still of that event, and I added some graphics. Here's the text with the background. Then you've got the different arrows. Look how everything is drag and drop. You see how easy this is? Let's say you don't like a white arrow. You could change it to yellow if you wanted to. The slap heard across the world. So you see how, this is just awesome. All right. So here's some birthday invitations I actually created, and I sold them on Etsy as well a long time ago. But here's a birthday invitation. Look, I added this little effect to kind of make it look like it's in a comic book. And right here on like party time, if you wanted to, you could change that to yellow, which I think fits this a little bit better. I don't really like the 7. So let's see here. We're going to go right here to elements, and I typed in 8. And let's check out what's available. Now, you see right here the little crown with the Pro. That means it's only available for Pro members to be able to use it. And if there is no crown, that means it's available with free members and Pro members. So the reason that I went with Pro is because I wanted to be able to get access to all of the additional, like, millions of different assets that I can get. Like this one that says Pro, that is a really cool asset element that I could use. And it's got a comic book feel to it. So I'm going to put it right there. Look how cool that looks. That's pretty awesome. And here's a Sonic one. I created this one from scratch. And look at this to give you an idea. You know, I grabbed this, and what I did was I overlaid on top of a bunch of different stuff that I did. And I took it and I overlaid it and made it fit to look like an iPhone. You see how I did that? Very easy to do. And, you know, it's just drag and drop. But so welcome back. I don't know about you, but I got to say that is the easiest graphic design software I've ever used. So what I want to do now is I want to challenge you. Go to the description below and go ahead and sign up and get started. And it's a lot of fun to be able to drag and drop. You get all of the images and videos and assets, video assets, image assets, and all the different things that you need to get started. All you have to do really is just point and click and you're done. It's so easy to use. Also, there is a ton of templates that you can use that look amazing, and all you got to do is just use the template and just kind of make some changes to make it look exactly what goes with your personality. So I want to challenge you to go ahead and do that. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell below. That way you're notified when the next video comes out. I like to do a lot of product reviews, tech and gadget reviews, and then I love doing tutorial videos just like this. In fact, I'm going to be coming out with a series of graphic design software tutorial videos on this specific software, Canva. I'm going to be doing a lot of tutorials, so make sure that you subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.